welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be in a backwoods lake trout lake. Hopefully we get some.
Now to get Thomas a lake trout, eh?
Yeah. We're back at the same line again. It looked like there was a bit of a bite, but we have a pretty big minnow, so it's possible that that's what it was. The minnow flopping around. Might just be the minnow getting excited. That wasn't though. Bait's still there.
What do you got there, Thomas?
Got the first lake trout. My first ever lake trout. Got him on a William spoon. Ooh. Let me get the hook out.
It's a dandy.
Yeah, nice keeper. So here he is. My first ever lake trout. He's a nice keeper. He'll eat nice and good. He'll taste great. Alright, so we're set up here. We're in a line across this little funnel point. And hopefully we can cut off some fish that are wandering through this little valley. So we just got this other one. We're gonna throw him back. He's pretty small. We moved spots down the lake a bit because we didn't get anything in our other spot for a while. So hopefully we get some here. Just had a bite here. It's not like, it wasn't like the minnow bobbing. It was like a hard little whack there. So hopefully he's down there. Come back. He might have took the bait too.
No.
Nice.
About the size of the one I caught.
About the same thing. Oh, hooked him close to the laker. That's about the same size one you had, Thomas?
Yeah.
So we'll throw him back, I guess, eh?
It's up to you. If you want to keep them, keep them. We're cleaning up for today. It was a nice day. I got my first lake trout, and we're gonna go home and eat them up for supper. It's getting really cold out and it's snowing,